Hi, I'm Stephen from Denovo. In this video we will go through how to create a new client in Caseload. The topics covered in this video will include creating a new client and associated matter, how to fill out the analysis fields as you go through the process, and then accessing new clients and matters in Caseload. To create a new client or matter in Caseload, you're selecting on the New button and choosing New Account. You will see you normally have three options available to create a new account. You can create a new client only, which would be typically used for creating a linked company or another firm of solicitors that are not going to have an active job or matter. You can create the most common option, which is a new client and matter with associated client and matter accounts, and that will configure all the options for you to create the new client, matter and accounts. Or you can choose to do one for a new matter and matter for an existing client. But in this video we're going to focus on the first option of creating a new client and matter. So you get to choose the next option, which is individual, married couple, company or civil partner or pair. So we select individual and we're just going to put some details in there. So we'll fill that out and we'll put some mobile information in there as well. Put that in against the telephone and mobile, and we'll add a postcode. So we've got some client information in there and we're just going to select next. So what this does is it searches the system for duplicates either against postcode, name or telephone number. So in this instance none of these ones are the client I'm about to create, so I'm happy to click the box and say yes, I wish to continue to create this client. That will bring in some information based on the previous window, and we can then say, right, based on this postcode we're going to do a search and select the correct address for the client. So that will bring in all the correct number, spelling, county and town information. So you'll see we're looking to create the CRM client at this point, so we can add some analysis in here, which is what the analysis will look like at the client stage. So if I just pick some of these options here, and we're okay with that, and we'll go to the next window. So now we're going to create the client account, and it's filled out the information based on the previous drop down selected. So now we're going to look to create the matter page. So we've done the client part of the setup, and we're now going to create the matter. So this may have different work type information in there. So in this instance I'm going to do an executory, and I'm going to choose a partner and a Fiona and an office. So this particular one is going to be the matter created for this client that we're just adding to the system. If we look at the analysis page, we can fill out other bits of information, and the CRM analysis lookup values and text fields available here are related back to the work type. So if you were to change that work type to something else, you see it changes the analysis fields in there. So those are important that you do select the correct work type, which allows you to have a more detailed analysis against the client. So once we're happy with that, we're now then going to create the matter account page, which has filled out the information. We'll add in the department. You can activate time recording if required at this stage, along with legal aid. But we'll leave those options greyed out in this instance. Click on next and then create. You'll see it's going to create both the client file and the matter file. If you want to go straight to the matter, you can click on the link and it will then allow you to work with the matter based on all the information that we've just supplied.